Hi friends, we will again take the journey to Tawang with additional information. So this is the Sela Pass, important landmark. Here you can see the clear azure sky. This is the highest motorable road in this part and the third highest motorable road in India. 13,700 feet is the height. And during winters you can see good amount of snow here. This is the welcome gate to Tawang at Sela Pass. This is Sela Lake, which totally freezes during winter. You can see on the way the snow had started falling. You can see the snowflakes falling from the sky here. On the sides some snow has collected, and as the time passes the whole road will be laden with snow along the sides. So it's a breathtaking sight, totally white, and historical places like this one is a place where you will see a signboard. The signboard says the victory of the first. So these are the places where the 1962 war with China was fought, and still the memories of the war are retold. So this is again Sela Lake, totally frozen. Sela, they say, was a Monpa girl along with another Monpa girl, Noora, who helped the Indian Army rifleman Jaswant Singh to protect Tawang and hold back the Chinese for 3 days. After which the Chinese came with more reinforcements and captured the place. So Sela and Noora, Sela Pass and Noora is the valley, Nooranang Valley, which will come shortly afterwards. These are named, as they say, after the two Monpa girls who were instrumental in helping the army secure the place for good deal of time. So now we are reaching Nooranang.
Switzerland. You're welcome to Switzerland, sir. It's been very beautiful place over here.
Our pleasure.
And you have met an Indian guy in Switzerland.
Beautiful Alps we are seeing here. Enjoying the snow in Nooranang. Great experience.
This is the view of the Nooranang. That is the Noora
People
Valley.
stop here, especially during winter. They make balls of snow and throw at each other. Enjoy this. And we have reached Tawang. There is a monastery. Monastery is the place where Dalai Lama stayed when he came to India. There is a head priest. Another statue at the monastery, and here trying to do some prayers. So historically and geographically it is an important place. Buddha temple, huge giant Buddha statue, another temple. 5 disciples of Buddha are seen. This is Tawang War Memorial. Another place in the memorial. And this is a very important place where Dalai Lama VI was born. This plaque has been put up to tell the story. There is another monastery, beautiful one, very colorful. And this is the Jong Falls. So we will end our journey here.